Yeah, I've said it many times, but this coaching with you has been really, really helpful. And I've done coaching with lots of different people, and this has been the most profound. You are really good at this, and you are like the space that you provide is very welcoming and very non-judgmental, and that is very inviting to do deep work. Apart from that, you are really gifted at um, yeah, tapping into what is needed or helpful. And especially in the beginning when I was much more, in my head, and very much wanting to talk about things and wanting to figure things out on a mental level. And
Hmm.
you were so good at providing the right environment for that to be there, but then at the same time to direct the attention elsewhere and to um, yeah, to tailor tools to what I needed in that moment. And that has been really helpful. And the support that I felt from you also outside of the session, because I'm not very naturally, I don't share a lot out of my own initiative in this way, but you prompting to do that has also really helped, and it has really um, deepened the coaching. And so all these
Great.
little things and all these like the tools that you have given me with regards to the connection with my body, which was my specific challenge, and also the environment that you provide, the very warm and non-judgmental uh, space, and then the support that I felt from you in the session, outside of the session, and the music that you provide with the breath work and all that has really supported this healing that has taken place. And I'm really, really grateful for that, personally for myself, and also a big compliment towards you that you are providing people with a very um, great coaching experience, like really, really, a really good coaching experience. So, and as I said, the changes that I feel in myself and in my life are very palpable and very tangible. Um, and that has not happened to this extent before with any other um, coaching endeavor. So I'm just really grateful and really, um, really grateful for that. So thank you.